a lot, bam, boom. I gotta go, I can't stop. Down to that ice cream shop. I gotta go, can't stop. Get me some ice cream pop. Don't want vanilla or chocolate chips. Want same sweet flavor of your sweet, sweet lips. Tutti frutti, already. 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 A wop, bop, a loo, bop, a wop, bam, boom. Won't you be my date? Sweetheart, don't be late. Oh, won't you be my date? Gonna share my ice cream plate. You know I don't want cherry or strawberry too. Want the same kind of flavor when I'm kissing you. Tutti frutti, already. 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 A wop, bop, a loo, bop, a wop, bam, boom. A wop, bop, a loo, bop, a lop, bam, boom.
So, there's a wish for you, Elephant. Do you like it? You gonna wish for that? That's what you're gonna wish for then? Yes? No.
Oh, that's all right, Elephant. I think I've got a wish for you. If you're anything like me, this wish is going to make you very happy. In my wish, I'm in Mexico. The warm breezes are blowing off the desert. The air is filled with the sound of wild tamales running free. And I'm in the world's greatest mariachi band, singing the most favorite birthday song of all of old Mexico.
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David, pero no eran tan bonitas como cantamos aquí. Despierta, mi bien, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajaritos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Qué linda está la mañana en que vengo a saludarte. Venimos todos unidos con gusto a felicitarte. Ya viene amaneciendo, ya la luna se metió. Levántate de mañana, mira que amaneció. El día que tú naciste, nacieron todas las flores. Por eso es que te llamaron Miguelito de mis amores. Ya viene amaneciendo, ya la luz de día nos vio. Levántate de mañana, mira que ya amaneció. Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David, pero no eran tan bonitas como cantamos aquí. Despierta, mi bien, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajaritos cantan, la luna ya se metió.
Ay, qué duende. Now that was a perfect wish, wasn't it, Elephant? Shall we go tell Genie right now? No.
I know. Don't you worry, Elephant. We are going to help you think of something, aren't we, gang?
Sure.
Yes, yes. Yeah. This is for everyone.
Well, I'm magical. I could be everyone.
Sharon, this is for everyone. I heard there was a genie. I came to see for myself.
delicious. Food has come a long way in the last few hundred years.
Tell me, Mr. Genie.
Please, let's be friends. Call me Gene.
Oh, my tomato.
Oh, sorry.
Listen, if I had a wish, it might be... How does that lamp work?
Sorry, puny mortal. Trade secret. Now, if you'll excuse me.
What would you wish for? I would wish for a tidy room. No, that's dumb. You can't wish for a tidy room on just one wish. I would wish that I was still a kid, but I had an adult brain. I had this Aunt Gladys. She would grab my cheek. She would go, "Goodness me, how you've grown. I remember you when you were this high." I hate that, and I never knew what to say. But with my adult brain, I could say, "Yeah, and I remember you when you were this thin." Ha! Gosh, if I'd only had such a mature brain back then. No, you can't wish for that. It's too selfish. People would say, "What a selfish thing that. Here he gets one wish, and all he thinks about is himself." Peace in the world. See, then everybody would love me. Here I am in my room. My mom walks in. "Your room is such a mess. I'm so disappointed." But then I remind her. I say, "But Mom, I'm the guy that got peace in the world instead of having my room cleaned or getting a mature adult brain."
There, Elephant. You know, I think I have just the wish for you. When I was a little girl, I always wanted to be a doctor. A special kind of doctor who knew a secret magical medicine that always made people feel better. So, Robin, if you were feeling sick, I would know exactly how to make you feel better.
Have you had a hug today? A warm and tender hug today? Everyone's entitled to a daily hug. It's a scientific fact. If it's hugging that you lack, it can change you from a lamb into a maniac. But if you've had a hug today, you know it feels good and it's free. So if you know of anybody who hasn't had a hug, and you can tell by their expression, 'cause it gives your heart a tug, don't put it off, do it now. 1, 2, 3, it will make the world a better place to be. So if you've had a hug today, you know it feels good and it's free. So if you know of anybody who hasn't had a hug, and you can tell by their expression, 'cause it gives your heart a tug, don't put it off, do it now. 1, 2, 3, everybody hug. It will make you feel so good, and you will see it will make the world a better place to be.
So?
So?